Chapter 11, List of Error Messages. Today we're going to talk about something very practical and useful. What to do when EnergyPLAN doesn't work as expected. Just like when you cook and something goes wrong, maybe the oven doesn't turn on or the cake sinks, EnergyPLAN has built-in error messages to tell you what's broken and sometimes how to fix it. Let's go through these error messages in a simple way so you won't panic if you see one during your simulation. The first common error happens when one of your distribution files has too many or too few lines. Remember that EnergyPLAN expects exactly 8784 lines because it models every hour of a year, including leap years. Think of it like a calendar with 366 days. You need one energy value for every hour. If you forget or add extra lines, the software will stop and tell you to fix it. The second error is very basic but easy to miss. Sometimes people accidentally type letters instead of numbers in their data files. Maybe you put 335.00H instead of 335.0. EnergyPLAN will catch this and stop because it can't do math with letters. So always double-check that your distribution files only contain numbers. The third error is about missing files. For example, if you ask EnergyPLAN to use a wind distribution file named wind_westdk 2009, but that file doesn't exist in your library, EnergyPLAN will complain. This often happens when you get a data file from someone else but forget to copy over the custom distribution files. The simple fix is either to use an existing file or add the missing file into your library folder. The fourth error happens when EnergyPLAN runs into a division by zero. This usually happens if you accidentally set one of your input values to 0 where it shouldn't be, like setting turbine capacity to 0. EnergyPLAN doesn't like dividing by 0. It's like trying to split a pizza into 0 slices. The fix is to use a small number like 0.001 instead of 0 and rerun your model. Finally, the fifth error is about how your computer is set up. Sometimes the name of your input file doesn't appear in the corner of EnergyPLAN or on printouts. This can happen if you are using Windows offline files, where some files are not actually on your local disk. EnergyPLAN likes everything to be in the same place, so the fix is to make sure all your EnergyPLAN files and folders are on the same hard drive. In summary, this chapter is like your EnergyPLAN troubleshooting guide. It helps you quickly identify common mistakes like wrong file lengths, typos, missing files, wrong input values, or folder issues, and tells you how to fix them like a pro.